So we have two variables, y and t. The idea is to, it's called separation of variables, so we want to separate our variables. So the y's go on one side, the t's go on the other. So 4y dy would be equal to e to the t dt. Bless.
Thank you.
So what would be the next step in the process? Well, yeah, but what operation tells us that we can do that? Take the antiderivative, yeah. All right, so then it becomes 2y squared equals, what's the right-hand side going to be? Indeed. Now what we want to do, where possible and convenient, we want to isolate the y. Not always going to be convenient. Sometimes it's not practical to do that, because if you're dealing with a conic section like an ellipse or a hyperbola or something like that, then there's a different form. It wouldn't be y equals. So in this case, it's not too bad. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That's highlighter. And get 1/2 e to the t plus, what's c divided by 2? C. And if I want to get y alone, I would take the square root of both sides and get y equals plus or minus the square root of all that stuff.